This video will cover how to create a signature for Brightspace communications. Once you are logged into Brightspace, select the envelope icon at the top right corner. Then, click on Email. Once you're on the Compose New Message page, choose Settings. In the message box, you can now type out your preferred signature. When you're done, you can hit Save on the bottom, and your signature will now automatically fill in for all future emails through Brightspace. Thank you for watching. For more Brightspace related content, subscribe to our channel.